Talking about the file menu, go to the file menu. Here the new file, if your file exists, want to the new file, go to there, just this one blank, this one comes the new file. Okay, so this option will go to new file. Now this is the open file. If you have the existing file, then open. If you want to save, then here the save, and you put the name, any name and a locations where you want to save. And this is for the save as. If already saved, then you want to one copy, then you got another save one, save as like this. Already where you want to the see, save like this, where any folder, any file. So this is the save as. And this is the print, how to print this one. So go to the file and go to the print menu and see, this is the print, how you want to the print. This is the print copy. So this is the new file, this is the open file, this is the save file, this is the save as file. Now this is the print file. Okay, now this is the close, so close the file. Okay, thank you.